18 is the complaint. Page 18 is the complaint in the criminal petition. I'll read to your lordship at a later point. Accused number 1 is my father.
In the complaint.
In the complaint, there is no allegation as such against me.
Where is the complaint?
Page 18. Petition.
Ah.
To charge sheet papers.
Oh, this is only charge.
Charge sheet.
All right. Yes. 18
Page
complaint.
18. Lord.
Hmm.
I'll take lordships later, Lord, at a.
All right. Father is
accused
alleged.
number 1. I have been arraigned as accused number 2.
Yes.
354A, 354D,
Hmm.
506, 509.
Hmm.
This first information is recorded by the Narsipura police station at Bangalore.
All right.
Education office. Lord, then lords, on 1st of May, this state government constitutes a special investigation team. That lordships will get it page 8. On 2nd of May, lords, they record
Page 8 of what?
page 8 of the criminal petition itself.
Page 8 ಅಲ್ಲ.
Page 8, sorry. Page 57.
All right. Yes. SIT is constituted.
Constituted.
You were not the accused then?
No, I was accused on 28th itself.
28.
But for offenses under 354A, 354D, 506, 509.
All right. For that purpose, SIT was constituted.
Yes.
All right. Yes.
On 2nd of May, my lord, they record the further statement of the prosecutrix by this SIT.
Where do I get that?
That further statement of the prosecutrix is not in the petition. Lordships will get now in that compilation.
Page.
Please. Lordships will get that at page 27 of that compilation. Correct, Ahmed?
Yes.
The
ಮುಂದುವರೆದ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ.
ಹೌದು. I'll take lordships to that. Then, my lords, they of course, my lords, seek the requisition of the learned magistrate to invoke 376 on the same day, 2nd May.
Page 33.
Please.
Yes.
That is permitted by the learned magistrate. On 13th of May, they give a second requisition to invoke section 66E.
Oh, the IT Act.
How? That is
Yes.
also permitted.
All right.
Now, my lords, of course, on first day court, 26, two other factors. 26th of May, April, soon after the Lok Sabha elections, the petitioner who was arraigned as accused number 2 left the country. On 30th May, my lords, he returned.
After 34 days.
Yes.
All right.
He returned. He was taken into custody at the international airport.
All right.
Since then, my lord, he has been in custody. Now, on 23rd August, they have filed this charge sheet for, Lord, of course, lords, apart from invoking the offenses of 376, 354A, 354B, 354D, they have also invoked 376(2K), rape by a person in domination.
Yes.
Please. 66E also has been there. But this is the background, my lords. But Lord, as I have seen the charge sheet in my own my lord's analysis, the entire case of the prosecution is based on two broad factors. One is, my lords, the statement of the prosecutrix herself. One recorded before the police, second note under 164(5) before the learned magistrate. It is her narration which implicates the petitioner according to
Contradiction between the two?
there is. I'll show before. According to them, Lord, this is the statement which implicates the petitioner. The second limb of the evidence which has been built is, my lord, that they say this alleged act is available in a mobile phone, and that mobile phone is sought to be used as evidence. These are the two broad parameters, my lords. My endeavor before your lordships will be to show that on a closer examination on both these things, a case at this stage, my lords, may not be made out. Of course, for the purposes of lordships are examining, I'm conscious of a 439 application.
Not made out for bail?
No, petitioner may not be implicated at this stage. Lordships should kindly see the method and manner in which the prosecution has built up the entire case. But there is a brief background to this, my lord. In fact, the background, my lords, is a suit which the petitioner has filed before the civil court at Bangalore, my lord, much before all this happened. my lord.
Suit?
Yes,
What suit?
there is an injunction suit he files
Against whom?
my lord, against all the television channels. May I request lordships to kindly see page 95, my lords, of that criminal petition.
95.
95 is the interim order. Illa. 95 is the plaint.
Yes. Where is the order?
No. Now, lords, no, before that, lordships peruse that order. May I request lordships to kindly see paragraph 3 of that plaint note, which is the foundation of. the
When did
case.
you institute this?
Lord, this
suit?
suit was filed. Same date. First June 23. 1/6/2023.
1/6/23.
Please. But paragraph 3 of that page 109, if lordships permit me to just read.
Yes.
I have narrated in what circumstances that suit was filed, which according to me is the link between the present case and that.
Page?
109.
109. All right.
Para 3. It is
Para?
3. Para 3.
Yes, sir.
It is submitted that recently defendant number 88 sent a fake and morph photograph to plaintiff through WhatsApp from mobile number so and so to plaintiff's WhatsApp photo of some unidentified random woman. Defendant number 88 threatened the plaintiff that he has created morphed photograph of plaintiff with some random woman, and similarly he would further create, release and circulate fake morphed photographs and videos of the plaintiff with some random woman, and would ensure the plaintiff's reputation and his family reputation, including plaintiff's political career, would be damaged by circulating such fake morphed photographs in print, electronic and social media platforms. The defendant number 88 threatened that he would go to any extent to damage plaintiff's reputation and his family reputation, and that he would release the fake and morphed photographs in video, in print and electronic media if he does not agree to his illegal demands. Defendant number 88 is one Mr. Karthik. I'll just.
Defendant 88.
He is the.
So this paragraph is dedicated to 88.
88. This person,
Yes.
I must bring to lordship's notice the relationship of the petitioner with him. He was the erstwhile estranged driver of the petitioner who left the job.
Driver also becomes
Estranged because of some animosity, my lord, that he states. He left. Now, my lord, this injunction suit, of course, my lord, the trial court was pleased to grant an injunction restraining all the defendants therein to release the photographs, etc. There was an order of injunction, which lordships will get it at
Page?
93.
Injunction is at 93?
Please. It is in force even today.
Yes.
Now, apart from this suit, on 23rd of April 2024, just before the Lok Sabha elections,
Yes.
a complaint was filed by the election agent of the petitioner before the Holenarsipura police station. Making 4 persons as accused therein for an offense under section 67A, that's 66E. Say,
Where do I get that?
but that lordships will get it at page 118. FIR is at page 118. The complaint, lords, is at page 121. There also lordships will kindly see the Naveen Karthik and Karthik Madila. There also, lords, the Karthik is arrayed, shown as accused number 1.
Who is the complainant here?
Ali Purna Chandra andre,
How
he
is
is
that?
my election agent.
Your election.
Agent.
Hmm.
Naveen Gowda, but the others are there. Karthik lordships will find in that complaint at page 121.
Karthik is not the accused.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ
Next page ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನವೀನ್ ಗೌಡ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನವೀನ್ ಗೌಡ and others ಅಂತ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್.
Oh, ಸರಿ.
ನವೀನ್ ಗೌಡ and others, but complaint 121 lordship.
ಅಲ್ಲ, complaint ಅಲ್ಲಿ is there.
Is there.
But
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
later added.
ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is the background, my lords, in which we proceeded. Now, my lords, the next event is important. Elections were to be, polling was to be held on 26th of April
No,
2024.
by the time this complaint, polling had already been over.
ಅಲ್ಲ, this 23rd
23rd May.
23rd April. This
Registered on what date? Or 23/4.
Four,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
In this background, my lords. Now,
Why did you register?
ಅದೇ
this?
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. One of the reasons, my lord, by that time, in the town of Hassan and other places, photographs or videos showing the photographs and videos of some women alleged to be with me were being circulated
In Hole Narsipur.
in Hassan.
All right.
That was the background, my lords, in with this complaint.
So this was because of the apprehension.
Yes, yes. That my case was that this, my photographs, my pictures were morphed, or even those videos or photographs which did not contain my photographs, a false accusation was being made that I was in the company of these women. It was in this background, my lord, I
You are
apprehended
in the company of?
some women.
Wow.
Now, my lords, this was the background: injunction suit, private complaint. 26th, my lord, as I was mentioning before your lordships, was the date of polling.
Date of polling.
25th, lordships may kindly see, the prosecutrix along with her daughter proceeds to Bangalore. And my lords, gives a television interview. She does not go anywhere else. She goes to the television channel and she gives a television interview in the.
Was there a complaint registered already against?
No,
All
nothing,
right.
nothing. She for the first time goes to Bangalore from Hole Narsipura and gives an interview. In that interview, my lord, even according to her, it is part of her statement. She alleges that there has been some sexual harassment by accused number 1 and accused number 2
In the TV interview.
in the television interview.
All right.
She does not state anything about 376. That is, lordships may kindly note that. After 25th, my lord, which she records in Bangalore, she says, according to her first information report, first information which she has lodged, which now I'll read before you. In the company of.
When was the FIR registered?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 20
Interview ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಅವತ್ತೇ.
ಅವತ್ತಲ್ಲ, next day, after 2 days, next day she says she met one Parvati, a local person who was her friend. And on 28th, they make a phone call to Hole Narsipura police station from Bangalore. A station house officer comes to Bangalore to record that statement. Now, my lord, lordships may kindly see that statement, which is at page 18.
18.
This is recorded on 28th.
18. Yes, sir.
Lord, there are no, according to me, much.
No, this is against the father and the son.
ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡ.
Both. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೇ, practically there is nothing.
All right.
But Lord, this statement which I am going to read does not have any explicitives which
All
is
right.
disturbing, so that lordships will permit me to read.
Yes.
Wherever I feel, Lord, it is not required, I would request. Lord, this forms the foundation of the prosecution case, so lordships may permit me to read the entire thing.
Entire thing.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಜ್ 2 pages ಇದೆ. lordships may permit me to. ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ನಾನು ಹೊಳೆ ನರಸೀಪುರ ಟೌನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸಮೇತ 10 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ವಾಸವಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಪತಿ ಈ ಮುಂಚೆ ಶಾಸಕ ಶ್ರೀ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಮಾಲೀಕತ್ವದ ನಾಗಲಾಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇದೆ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿದಿರಾ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ lordships may permit me to just read this one. May I request lordships to permit me to read from the sentence, lords, ಈ ಮುಂಚೆ ಶಾಸಕ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಮಾಲೀಕತ್ವದ ನಾಗಲಾಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ, lordships, third sentence. In fact, this reading of this
ಈ ಮುಂಚೆ ಶಾಸಕ
ಮಾಲೀಕತ್ವದ ನಾಗಲಾಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅದಷ್ಟೇ, ಹಾಲಿನ ಡೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ BCM ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡಿಸಿದ್ದರು. ನನಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆಕೆ SSLC ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿ ಇಬ್ಬರ ಮಕ್ಕಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಾಸವಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಪತ್ನಿ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೋದರತ್ತೆ ಮಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಸಂಬಂಧಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧದ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ 2013ನಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ನನಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡಿಸುವುದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರುವಂತೆ ಆಗಾಗ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ನಾನು 2018ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಮಾತಿನಂತೆ ಅವರ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡೆ. ಅದಾಗಿ 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರ ಅವರ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪುತ್ರ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಅವರ ಮದುವೆ ಸಂಬಂಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂತೆ ಕರೆಸಿಕೊಂಡರು. That is the first time when she comes in contact in the year 2019. That is 4 years after 2015. Then ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3.5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಅವರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು 4 ತಿಂಗಳ ನಂತರ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೊಠಡಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂತೆ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ 1 or 2 sentences Lordship may kindly see. ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗಿ ನೋಡುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Lordship may kindly read it. It's nothing but still no. ಹಣ್ಣು ಕೊಡುವ ನೆಪದಲ್ಲಿ all that she says. Yeah.
Yes.
Lordships have seen all those things.
No, I have read, sorry.
Lordships have read it.
Yes.
Then lords, ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೌದು.
First part. ಅಲ್ಲ, I have seen ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ I have seen this. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I said I have read. Yes.
See the statement.
That's what-
Yes, I'm sorry. Lords, now last paragraph in that page 90. But this one other statement I have to read. No, I'm sorry. I had marked here, therefore.
She speaks about the television interview as well.
Yes, no,
Yes.
he also says video call, the page 18 last sentence, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆ, she says video call at the last sentence.
One clarification.
Please.
You are under 439 of the sun.
Yes, correct.
Of the sun, right? Now, all these factors apart, do you deny the happenings?
Of course, as a.
No, any amount of digression or beating around, ultimately the crux comes to the issue whether it has happened or not.
No, but I cannot. No,
One minute. And these factors, what you say, that it may be to wreak vengeance or to old things have brought up or whatever. The acts having happened is under section 66, that is the offense.
May I, my lords, put it across in this manner?
Yes.
Obviously, appearing for the accused, I know, I only have to say this, Lord. If I have to assume something against myself, I'll put it across in this
All
way,
right.
rather. If I have to assume what they have said is to be true, which obviously, Lord, we don't concede, yet, Lord, no offense is made out. For this reason, Lord.
Serious.
No, I'll explain, Lord, I'll explain. In this manner, I'll explain in this manner.
All right.
Assuming that there was an act, there is nothing to suggest at all that it was against the will or consent. That is one of the way, Lord, I want to put it across before the judges. That is one aspect of the matter. There is nothing to suggest even.
So according to you, they were consensual acts.
Assuming, Lords, that this act is true. Ultimately, FSL report doesn't match today. That is what I wanted to bring.
What
FSL report, Lord, does not match that video at all. The FSL report says that mobile phone, which is supposed to record this, does not, that video cannot be ascertained. It cannot be said that as genuine. That is the FSL report, which I thought, Lord, I'll read. All right. But before that, Lordships may kindly see as to why I say, Lords, that assuming that even if this act had taken place, it cannot be construed as forcible. The reason is this. The reason is not two factors which I will bring to Lordship's notice. Only in order, Lord, without meaning any other, without suggesting anything else about the credibility of the complaint itself.